Who composed the Indian national song, Vande Mataram? Vande Mataram was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which Indian city is home to the Dalai Lama? Leh, Gangtok, Dharmshala, or Dehradun? The correct answer is Dharmshala. Which award is the top civilian award in India? The correct answer is Bharat Ratna. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is B. R. Ambedkar. Which Indian state shares its border with the maximum number of states? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which is the smallest union territory of India, area-wise? It's Lakshadweep. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Gujarat has the longest coastline in India. The famous Sun Temple is located in which state? It is located in Odisha. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate? The correct answer is Kerala. In which year did India become a republic? India became a republic in 1950. Which Indian city is known as the financial capital of India? Correct answer is Mumbai. Which river is called the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh? Tapti, Narmada, Chambal, or Betwa? Correct answer is Narmada. Who was the first woman chief minister of an Indian state? Correct answer is Sucheta Kriplani. Who was the first Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna? The correct answer is C. Rajgopalachari. The Hirakud Dam is built on which river? Godavari, Krishna, Mahandi, or Narmada? Hirakud Dam is built on the Mahandi River. Who founded the Arya Samaj? Dayanand Saraswati founded the Arya Samaj. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Correct answer is G. V. Mavlankar. In which year was the Indian Constitution adopted? The correct answer is 1949. The Gateway of India overlooks which sea? It overlooks the Arabian Sea. Which Indian state is the largest by area? Correct answer is Rajasthan. Which Indian state is famous for the Hornbill Festival? Correct answer is Nagaland. Who founded the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is A. O. Hume. Who was the first Indian to travel into space? The correct answer is Rakesh Sharma. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Which Indian state has the highest number of national parks? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian state is known as the land of blue mountains? The correct answer is Mizoram. Who was the first Chief Justice of India? H. J. Kanya was the first Chief Justice of India, who composed the song Sare Jahan Se Acha. The correct answer is Muhammad Iqbal. In which year did India launch its first satellite, Aryabhatta? Correct answer is 1975. Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? The correct answer is Annie Besant. Who was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal? Correct answer is Abhinav Bindra. Which river originates from the Yamunotri Glacier? Yamuna originates from the Yamunotri Glacier. In which state is the Hampi Monument located? Hampi Monument is located in Karnataka. Who was the first Indian woman to win a Nobel Prize? The correct answer is Mother Teresa. In which year did India conduct its first nuclear test? India conducted its first nuclear test in 1974. Who is known as the father of the Green Revolution in India? The correct answer is M. S. Swaminathan. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Correct answer is Bachendri Pal. Which Indian state is the largest producer of sugarcane? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. In which city is the Victoria Memorial located? Victoria Memorial is located in Kolkata. Who founded the Brahmo Samaj? Correct answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. In which year was ISRO established? ISRO was established in 1969. In which year did India win its first Cricket World Cup? The correct answer is 1983. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Correct answer is Karnam Malleshwari. Which Indian state is known as the land of white elephants? Assam is known as the land of white elephants. In which year was the Indian Air Force established? The Indian Air Force was established in 1932. Who was the first Indian to win the Miss World title? The correct answer is Rita Faria. Which Indian state shares its border with Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Nepal? The correct answer is West Bengal. Who is known as the father of Indian cinema? Correct answer is Dada Saheb Phalke. Who was the first Indian to swim across the English Channel? The correct answer is Mihir Sen. Which Indian state is known as the abode of clouds? Correct answer is Meghalaya. Who was the first Indian to win an Oscar award? Correct answer is Bhanu Athia. We hope you enjoyed this India General Knowledge quiz. Share your score in the comments and subscribe for more exciting quizzes about India.